Hello, this is Zach McCurdy with the web team here to show you a new module we have on our CMS. It's called the Pull Quote module, and as you can see as an example here on President Mantella's site, this is an example of the Pull Quote module. It allows you to put a quote in and then it will be displayed on your page such as this. So let me show you how to get that added and some of the things you can change about it. So back on my CMS site here, I'm going to go to the left-hand side and click on Manage Modules. I'm going to click on New Module, and in this drop down here you will now have one called Pull Quotes. You can give it a name if you want to, but you don't have to, and then I'm going to say Submit. Now that we've got the Pull Quote module added, let's go to the Pull Quote page. I have it here on the right hand side. You will also have it down here on the left hand side under Pull Quotes. I've added in a couple quotes already. Let's add in a new one. So we say Add Quote. You type in the quote you want it to say, so we'll say hello again. Type in the author and say submit. And now you'll see that I have a number of quotes in here. You can edit a quote if you want to by clicking on the edit button, or if you want to delete one, you can click on the delete button to remove that particular quote. So now that we've added in a number of quotes here, let's add it to a page so that we can see how it looks. So I clicked on Content on the left-hand side. I'm now going to click on the module page, which I have created. And let's say I want to add the Pull Quote section right here on my page. So what I'm going to do is on the right-hand side, I'm going to click on this button down here that says Modules. When this appears, I'm going to scroll down and find the Pull Quotes module and click on it. And now you will see that I have the Pull Quotes here. So by default, it's in the one box. I can make this larger if I want to by clicking and dragging. And then you can make it small by clicking and dragging the other way. Now that that's done and we've added that, let's click Publish. And now our changes are saved. So we've just changed the module pages. We click on the preview. You can see there's the quote that we have there. And what's nice is that when you refresh, you can see that it will rotate the quotes that you have in your list, and it will show all the different quotes on there. If you have any more questions, please reach out to me. My name is Zach McCurdy. I work on the web team.